Hello, gentlemen, and welcome to another empowering episode of Master Your Life, the guide to self-improvement. Today, I want to address an important topic that is close to my heart: the role of men in today's world and the need for us to reclaim our virtues and become strong leaders within our families and communities. It's no secret that many men today are struggling to find their place and fulfill their potential as leaders. We live in a society that often downplays the importance of traditional virtues and character traits that have historically been associated with masculinity. As a result, many men feel lost, disconnected, and unsure of their purpose. One of the reasons for this lack of virtues and character is the changing dynamics of gender roles and societal expectations. While it's important to embrace equality and respect for all, we must also recognize the unique strengths that men can bring to the table. Traits such as courage, resilience, responsibility, and integrity are crucial for effective leadership, both within the family and the community. Another factor contributing to this issue is the prevalence of negative influences and distractions that can derail our personal growth. The digital age has provided us with endless entertainment and instant gratification, but it has also made it easier to escape from the responsibilities and challenges of real life. Many men have fallen into a cycle of passivity, avoiding the discomfort and hard work necessary for personal development and leadership. But my friends, there is a solution, a path to reclaiming our virtues and becoming the leaders we are meant to be. It starts with self-awareness and a commitment to personal growth. Take the time to reflect on your values, strengths, and areas for improvement. Understand what it means to be a man of character and identify the virtues that you want to cultivate within yourself. Embrace the discomfort and challenges that come with growth. Step out of your comfort zone and take on new responsibilities. Whether it's within your family, your workplace, or your community, seek opportunities to lead, to make a positive impact, and to be a role model for others. Take ownership of your actions and choices. Be accountable for your mistakes and learn from them. Strive for excellence in everything you do and pursue continuous self-improvement. Cultivate a growth mindset that allows you to adapt, learn, and evolve as a person. Nurture healthy relationships and surround yourself with like-minded individuals who support and inspire you. Seek mentors and learn from those who have already walked the path you aspire to. Connect with other men who are on a similar journey of personal growth, and together you can support and challenge each other to become the best versions of yourselves. Finally, prioritize the well-being of yourself and your loved ones. Take care of your physical health, cultivate emotional intelligence, and invest time in developing meaningful connections with your family. Be present, listen actively, and engage in open and honest communication. Your role as a leader starts within the walls of your own home. Remember, my fellow men, we have the power to shape a better future for ourselves, our families, and our communities. By reclaiming our virtues and embracing the responsibilities of leadership, we can make a profound impact and create a legacy that we can be proud of. Thank you for joining me today on this episode of Master Your Life, the guide to self-improvement. Remember, it's never too late to embark on this journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Start today, embrace your virtues, and step into the role of a strong leader in your family and community. This is Tony, your guide on this empowering path, signing off. Together, let's build a future where men embrace their true potential and lead with strength and integrity. Until next time, stay strong and keep fighting for a better future.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name, Tony's Drain, at tonysdrain.com.